Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn what pronouns are. We will discuss the definition as well as situations where pronouns are used. It is a very important concept that you will surely be using throughout your life. So pay attention, boys. As you can see here, I have made a list of the highlights of today's lesson. First, I will share the definition of pronouns with you and we will briefly discuss it. Next, I will share a sample exercise with you as a demonstration. Once you have gone through the sample exercise, I will then share and explain the rules of usage of pronouns along with their examples. After the rules, I will share examples of 3 sentences from each exercise so that you can figure out how to attempt the complete exercise in your copies. Lastly, I will share your homework with you. So let us now discuss the definition of pronouns. By definition, a pronoun is a word that we use to replace a noun. For example, he, she, it, they, you, we, I. These are all examples of pronouns. Here is the sample exercise that I mentioned earlier. I want you to pause the video here and try to identify the nouns that will have to be replaced with pronouns. In case of incorrect guesses, don't be disappointed. I am about to explain the rules shortly. Okay, here is the same paragraph with the pronouns inserted in their proper places. Notice that I have not replaced all the nouns. I have only replaced nouns that were being repeated. Let us now discuss the rules. Rule number 1 is that when we are replacing more than one noun, we remove words like and in some cases we remove the as well, as shown in the examples on the screen. Rule number 2 is that a singular noun can only be replaced by a singular pronoun, as shown in the examples on the screen as well as on the table. According to rule number 3, the use of a pronoun depends on the following: the number or quantity of the nouns that are to be replaced, whether the noun is a living thing and male or female, whether the noun is a non-living thing. Rule number 4 is that all nouns, whether they are common or proper, they both can be replaced with he, she, it, they, him, her, them, etc., as shown in the examples on the screens. One more thing that you have to keep in mind when using pronouns is that an animal is referred as it unless the relationship is personal, like a pet that has a name. Then it's okay to use he or she when referring to the animal. This can be observed in the example on the screen. In exercise A, you have to underline the pronouns in the given sentences. I have written down the answers of some sentences as examples. In exercise B, you have to fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. I have written down the answers to some sentences as examples. In exercise C, you have to rewrite the sentences replacing nouns with pronouns wherever possible. I have written down the answers for some sentences as examples. Complete exercises A, B, and C in your copies. Don't forget to make a title page before you begin the exercises.